Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling back tap so the feature is ready. Open Settings, go to Accessibility, then Touch. Once there, scroll to back tap and pick double tap or triple tap. Choose the one that feels natural to you. Next, select a system action or a shortcut you've already created, because this defines what the taps will do. Make sure to test immediately. Tap the back of your phone twice or 3 times to confirm the mapping works as expected. Now you create or refine shortcuts for more powerful back tap results. Open the Shortcuts app and build a shortcut that performs several steps. Add actions like Open App, Set Focus Mode, or Run a URL. Include small delays if needed. Once done, name it clearly so you can find it when assigning back tap. Make sure to test the shortcut by running it inside Shortcuts. If it works there, assign it to double tap or triple tap in Settings, and verify again on the device. Finish by refining placement and solving issues if taps misfire. If taps were accidental, switch to triple tap or change where you physically tap. Hold the phone differently. If it stops working, restart your device and check for an iOS update. Sometimes updates fix sensor bugs. Make sure the shortcut still exists and hasn't been deleted, and reassign the action if needed. If problems persist, reset accessibility settings as a last resort. Then re-enable back tap and retest immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.